was born to be free. I was born to be free.
How is everybody doing today? What's poppin'? Listen, we got bullish news. Stocks are pumping. Is crypto gonna follow? We'll see. But before we do that, guys, you have no idea. First of all, high five, Andrew. First of all, guys, how are my levels? How are my levels? Can y'all hear me well? Are my levels good? Are we chilling? Let me know. Is the music too loud? Am I too loud? Is it too early? Are you guys tired? Let me know in chat. Guys, you have no idea. First of all, actually, I turned the mic on before I started talking today. So, improvement. Hello. Thank you. Thank you for your applause through the screen. I can hear it. You guys have no idea what I just went through off cam. That 3-minute countdown. Music is high. Okay. That 3-minute countdown. Hey, I'm gonna keep talking and you guys keep telling me if it's good. The 3-minute countdown, you guys, what I did in that 3 minutes, you wouldn't believe. You wouldn't believe. Amazon package came to the door. I ran real quick. Had to sign for it real quick. Ran back down, grabbed the water, made my tea, came down. My treadmill is like, I don't even know. The barbell belt thing, not barbell. The belt thing is like moving to one side, and I'm like, with the screw, look, it's literally right here. Man, anyways, crazy. Hot mic. Okay, hot mic. How about now? How are we sounding now? Anyways, you guys are not here. Hold on. Okay, hopefully that's the last treadmill adjustment I make. You guys are not here to hear about my morning, I imagine. So, we're gonna dive in to what the heck is going on here. We're gonna go on to a couple call outs that I called yesterday. And listen, if you guys know, okay, if you guys know, then you know. If you guys are in the Discord, then you know. And I imagine most of the people here are in the Discord. So, let's do what we do. Ready? Good morning, party boy. What's up? Good morning to the Dragon. Dragon's in chat today. He's ready to talk some B-band shite, but we're not gonna do that today. I'm gonna get the Dragon to make a video for you guys that will be uploaded on my channel, of course, if he's willing. But good morning, Dragon. Mr. Eduardo, sir, good morning. Quest D is in the chat. Alex is in the chat. Good morning. Young Hao, good morning. Andrew, again, we hit the high five. Let's start high-fiving in the morning. Can we normalize that? Can we get some high fives? Let's get some hand emojis. Every morning from now on, let's start getting those hand emojis. I'm gonna start high-fiving y'all. Why not? You know, why not? Michael says, good morning. Ready Weary. I'm sorry if I'm saying that wrong, bro. Ready Weary. Ready Weary. Good morning, Ready Weary. How are you, sir or madam? Good morning, Michael. Good morning. Bro, you got caught in along with the massive pump. That's what we like to hear, baby. Piano. Shouts out Piano Philippem. Guys, listen, I apologize in advance if I say your names incorrectly. Because, you know, some of them are a little bit hard. Listen. Good morning, everybody. High five, everybody. Thank you for being here. Make sure you hit the like button, as always. Right? Let's get into it, okay? So BTCZ, baby. What is going on? What's popping, Bitcoin? Why is it that Bitcoin is doing every single movement that I predict? Am I the market maker? Oh, we don't know. All right. We're going to start off in the Discord, baby. Listen. Yesterday. No, man, don't tell me there's a delay right now. There shouldn't be a delay. There shouldn't be a delay. Listen, I made it low latency. Guys, look, if you're delayed, I didn't even know you could do this. Go to the stream settings and put 1.5 speed, and then it'll catch you up to like in real time. I didn't even know you could do that because YouTube naturally keeps a little bit of a delay. So you have to basically catch up. Anyways, we're going to start in the Discord, guys. We're going to start in the Discord. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. And we're going to start in the Discord today. So if you're new here, make sure you join the Discord. It's completely free to join. And I help you guys make some moolah. High five, Shane. Good morning, Shane. How are you? Man, I keep bumping into my mic. You guys seeing that? Okay. Let's start in the Discord, okay? I need to take this off, man. It's so early. Okay. It's not early. I just didn't sleep. Anyways, enough. Okay. 2 days ago. 2 days ago. We're consolidating, right? We're consolidating 2 days ago. This level here. All day. I said it 6 times. We talked about this on yesterday's stream. I'm just very quickly recapping. We talked about it on yesterday's stream. I just said bang, bang. All right? Bang, bang. We had our divergence exactly as we wanted. Bang, bang. We came up. We tapped 37.5. Right here, we tapped 37.5 or 37.4 in that zone. I moved the boxes now, but bang, bang. All right? We banged, and we came down exactly as predicted. And guys, I even told you. Where did I tell you the target was? Did I tell you the target was there? Ah, haha. Later, yesterday. Now we're talking about yesterday, right? Yesterday we came down to our box down here. All right? Let's go back in time. We're going to talk about the Asian session because Asia kind of snaked your boy. I'm not going to lie. We're going to talk about that. But look, 15-minute time frame. We were here, right? We were down here. People started longing. What did I say? Everyone, don't blink. This ain't the time. What happened? Bang, bang again, baby. We had the divs. We had the divs and we banged. Now we're gonna talk about Asia. Because you guys know I hate Asia. I don't hate Asia. I hate the Asian market makers. Okay, I'm not a racist or anything. I hate the Asian session. And honestly, primarily not even about their movement, but it's just because they do it while I'm sleeping. Or rather trying to sleep because I don't sleep. Anyways, point is we had our bang bang, all right? We banged yesterday, okay? Beautiful call, beautiful trade. And what did I tell you guys? Whoever took this bang bang, the target is 37.1 and 37.2. So, anybody that's in my community, anybody that's in my Discord, is this a surprise? Probably not, because if you are in my live streams, then you're getting the 2 minute. I just read a comment. If you're in my live streams, then you're getting the VIP code, which means you're getting these call outs for literally completely free. No one else on the internet is giving you guys free money the way that I am. Okay. So, since God, good morning. How are you, man? Listen. So since we had our move, I honestly thought we were going to come up to 37.1 to 37.2. That is still the target. Hey, don't get it twisted. That is still the target. And to be honest, now we have a little bit more confluence with that target, which we'll talk about in a few minutes here. Name another streamer. Ew, I don't want to call myself that. But name another streamer that stops his sentence mid-sentence to drink water. Okay. I'm ADHDing all over the place right now. All right. I thought this move was going to come up. Why? Why am I projecting that? Let's hide my my Bollinger Bands. Let's bring my order blocks indicator up. Which, guys, this order blocks indicator is an indicator that... Where is it? Oh, my. This guy took it off? Okay, well, I guess I lost it, but I had an order blocks indicator that I will get again. And it will be available for you guys shortly. From Indexa here. Let's see if I can... Yeah, he made it. Okay, I gotta get it back again. Anyways, basically it's an indicator that shows you the order blocks based on my rules and my rules only. Okay, so... I thought this move was gonna actually be the move up. We had a bullish... break of structure, right? Locally, we broke structure to the upside. Cool. This was just a retracement. Technically speaking, this low should hold, and it did. So I actually had my stop loss still under the low, and while Asia decided to be what Asia does, which is suck. Since Asia absolutely sucks, they still brought it back down for the retest. Fine, whatever. We didn't get stopped out. We're still long. We're still expecting 67.1 at least, but why? Why are we expecting that? Okay, well, let's talk about it. We know we had a box zone here, and we know we were shorting it to the zone down here, okay? That's not news. We did that yesterday. You guys were around. You know that, okay? Now, this box right now is going to be our local resistance. We have our value area high up here. We got the point of control up here, right? And if you take your Fibonacci from the high to the low, we also have a golden pocket 786 up there as well. Check invite only. No, I lost it. I don't have it. I gotta message him. That's okay. That's okay. Anyway, so we also have our golden pocket 786 up there. In addition to that, what do we know? When we're looking at market structure, what's the order of operations? We got market structure, number 1. We got order blocks, number 2. And we got liquidity, third. Okay? So market structure, I mean, especially if we take the high again, is in our favor. Check. Where are our order blocks? Well, if Indexa did not take my indicator away from me, I would be able to look at it way quicker. But let's look at them manually. Okay, the only order block that I would even consider, we already mitigated, right? So this was it. And overnight, Asia mitigated my order block. Yet we're coming back into it. So if we were to take the high, I believe we're going to break this supply zone. Okay, we're going to break this bearish order block, in my opinion. So if market structure's in our favor, we're breaking the order block, right? Market structure's in our favor, we're breaking the order block. What's third is liquidity. Where's our liquidity? I had it drawn out right before I started stream. Oh, I'll come back to that. But I had it drawn out. Let's see. Right? So here we have liquidity. Right? And actually, it was more like this. Right? That's why I even had the target up here. So value area high, point of control, golden pocket, right? So I was like, all right, we could come up and claim that easily, right? Like, I mean, locally, makes sense. Definitely makes sense to do so, right? So when we get up here, because I believe we will, and hopefully we get up here on stream today. I feel like every time I stream, I talk for hours, and then as soon as I get off, they make our move. Anyway, so when we get up here, okay, we're going to assess now what's going to happen. This white box within our yellow box is a 10-minute. I believe it's a 10-minute. Let me check. No, it's not a 10-minute order block. It is not a 30-minute order block either. Okay, it's an order block. I don't remember what time frame it is on. Here. Okay. This is a 5-minute order block, okay? So if we're expecting a rejection, right? I would kind of look for two types of trades here. One is an SFP of this high. Okay? Because these are kind of ugly highs in my opinion. I don't really like them. There's a lot of liquidity built up. Right? So I would expect to either come up and do something like this. Like bam, 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 bam. Either go boom, boom, or wick more highly up into the 5-minute order block and then boom. Let me check if there's any other order blocks based on my rules within this area. Nah. Do we have a 2-hour order block up here? Nope. 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 All right. Yeah. So I would expect to come up to here. I would expect to come up to the higher portion of this block. Okay. And then at the time, we're going to assess market cipher B. We're going to assess what we see. Right. And essentially, if we see on market cipher B, if we see something like this, let me see if I can find a good example. Okay, basically how market cipher looks right now, right? If we get something like this, like down, up, down. Actually, not even. It can go even higher than that. Down, up, down. Something like this. Right? While we get like a massive pump out of nowhere and money flow starts to make its way down, then we can set limit orders up here and expect our order block to hold. And ideally, a strong order block does not break, meaning they don't even SFP it. They can, but ideally they don't, right? So when you are planning out your positions, as you can see that I have here, which we're going to talk about this squiggle in a second here, you know, typically you want to make your stop loss a little bit over the order block just in case they decide to wick it out a bit. But I mean, this is a trade setup 100%. This is the trade idea. And yesterday in the Discord, I said, I'm even predicting the hidden bear div. Let's see how Picasso I am this week. The ones that have been in the Discord, you guys know, all right? You guys know lately that, hold on. Let me see. Am I seeing this correctly? There's 51 people in the chat and I have 19 likes. So either 32 or whatever the number is, 30, yeah, 32. 32. Either 32 of you don't like me or don't like my free information or don't have hands or fingers or eyes. So I'm going to wait. I'm going to ask politely. Let's all hit the like button and then I will continue. And in the meantime, I'm gonna lubricate the pipe. Money flow. Actually, it says money flow. We will talk about the money flow in just a second. Do I have a video on order blocks, how to find them, how to use them in trading? So, great question. I do not have a video on order blocks, but I have a boot camp on order blocks. The boot camp is available, and the boot camps are the only things that I charge you for, guys. I don't charge you for anything else. I give you guys everything else for free. If you're interested in the boot camps, I have an order blocks boot camp. I have a market structure boot camp. And actually, thank you for reminding me. Next week, next Monday, which is November the 20th, I have a complete market cipher boot camp. I will show you how to become one with the market cipher multiverse as I am. And I will show you how you can predict what I'm about to talk about here in just a second. All right, likes are at 30. I'm going to continue. Please keep hitting the like button. And thank you guys for whoever did hit the like button. I appreciate you guys. All right, yeah, let me continue and then I'll get back to the comments. Okay, so yesterday, 11 p.m., which was like 12 hours ago, less, 11 hours ago, 10 hours ago. We already went over why I was predicting a move to the upside. Okay, we already went over it. And we're going to talk about how I entered my long, guys, because I am long right now. We're going to talk about it. But, you know, why did I say, okay, I'm even predicting the hidden bear div. Look, let's see how Picasso I am this week. Lately, if you guys know, the ones from the Discord, chat to the people in the Discord. If you're not in the Discord, make sure you join. Links in the description down below. You guys know I have been spot on with my calls. Okay? Spot on. With the exception of the massive pump that wasn't warranted, which I still stand by. I've been spot on. So, this is the 3-hour time frame, guys, right? And this is what I drew out on the 3-hour time frame. Up, hidden bearish divergence into our zone, and then a drop. So let's come back to our chart. Let's draw our little Picasso drawing, or Geocasso, as I put up here. Gicasso. Oh, that would have been better. Let's do that. Gicasso. Gicasso. All right. Okay. So far, we are on track for it. Okay, we're on track for it. Yes, we have the red dot right now. I mean, man, listen, I'm one with market cipher, okay? We ain't interested in no red dots right now, chief. This is going to happen because I said so. All right? Okay. Oh, look at that. Wow, we just had the green dot print as I was saying that. You see why I'm a market maker, or why I should be? I think I should, like, apply. Where's the... I need a job posting, because I could be the market maker, man. I could be the market maker. Marflex says, what's up? Just discovered your channel. Nice information. Thank you, Marflex, or FLX. Welcome to the channel, bro or sis. Welcome. Glad to have you here. All right. That's crazy that just happened on stream. Guys, my voice, man. I need Halls, man. Halls needs to sponsor me, I swear. Sponsored by water. I drink so much water a day, it's not even funny. Okay. All right. So the green dot just formed in front of our eyes together, which, no surprise. Maybe a surprise to you, not a surprise to me. Let's talk about it. All right. So this is the 3-hour time frame, guys. I gave this 12 hours ago. This is going to take some time to play out, which is why I said, let's see how Picasso I am this week, right? This could hypothetically take, you know, a couple days to get to, right? It's a 3-hour time frame. So it's not, let's just say, you know, a day. And the next day we could get up here, right? So it will take some time. It will take some time. But what I wanted to see, which I actually didn't include on the post, I was going to, but then I was falling asleep, whatever, is you want to see green vectors now. Okay, now you want to find green vectors. You're short until 36.3, then long from 36. Is it a good position? You mean like, so your 36.3 is in drawdown? Is that what you're asking? Because your long from 36 is in a good position because you're up, but your 36.3 is down, so it's not a good position. Anyway, green vector candle is what we want to see. And I guess, swear on my life, I was going to say it yesterday, but I was going to go to bed anyway instead. I was too lazy to try to find out how to word it and whatever. And I was actually going to draw it on the chart. Anyway, green vectors are what we want to see now. Why? Not only is it going to show us strength from our zone, which is good. This is a good sign, right? We came out of our zone strongly. Strongly we're coming out. There's tick volume. Market makers are building their shorts, which means retail is longing. Good. Retail's longing. Great. Go, go, go. The problem is retail doesn't know how to take profits. Retail are greedy mother. Okay? So, when we get up here and retail keeps buying and not closing their positions, market maker is going to send it down. They're going to reverse it. Okay? So it's very good. Very, very good that this is happening. Let's hide my my Picasso drawing right now. Let's hide that. Let's hide that. But we want to see these green vectors, okay? Let's see. Let's check out our EMAs. Where are our EMAs relative to our vectors? Let's see. 'Cause I actually don't know. Okay. We are right now getting a green vector through the 50 EMA, okay? Meaning that it's kind of like, I don't want to say neutral, but the chance of it actually playing out and continuing the momentum to the upside is like 50-50, right? It could be a scam vector. We could just reject here. I don't know if we're going to. I don't think we're going to. We're going to go on to the lower time frames here in a couple minutes. But, you know, we got to be aware of it, okay? Now, if we make it, let's hide our vectors. Thank you for the 50. Thank you. Okay, so now if we come up here and we have the green vectors, that is a very, very good sign. That is what we're looking for. Okay, right now, currently, we are facing resistance because we have this. I mean, clearly we have a downtrend, right? We very clearly have our downtrend on the 30-minute time frame. And for us to remain bullish, we must take this high. We must close, let's say, a 30-minute candle at above 36.8. Okay, we must close above 36.8. Non-negotiable. We have to. Then what can happen is we can have our pullback and then, you know, continue to move to the upside. Okay, so now that we know that, and we're building our narrative, guys, I teach you guys how to build a narrative, right? We know that the last end of this, like this could be a fast wick, basically, is where I'm getting at. Because we have a lot of liquidity. There's a lot of stop losses here. There's a lot of stop losses here. There's a lot of stop losses here. So what happens is if we start to close candles above the 30, above 26 point or 36.8, and we don't wick fast, these shorts, some of those shorts will close their positions. They'll take profit, which is what? Which are longs, which will push the price even higher. I don't know why I drew a square, right? So we could get a fast wick. Like, this could be quick, guys. We could right now, all of a sudden, get a candle that looks like this. I'm not saying we're going to. I'm not saying long it. No, not what I'm saying. But we could, all right? We could get a candle right now that just goes boom. Okay? It is not impossible to get that. So we need to be aware of it. We need to have our orders ready. We need to be watching market cipher on the lower term time frames and specifically money flow on the lower term time frames to determine whether or not our narrative is going to play out. So there's two options long term that could happen, in my opinion. Number one, if we're going to go up. I'm not going to do all the options. There's like a million. But we either go up, reject from this area, come down, and break these lows, which I think is probably likely. Because the higher term time frames, we do have some room for downside. So this is the place for the market to turn. Okay. If the market chooses not to turn from here, honestly, I would expect to come take the high. I expect to come take the high. And we can take the high again, right? And how can we justify our narrative on taking the high again? Well, what do we know about money flow? We know that the thicker the money flow, the more opportunities for divergences we have. 4-hour time frame is about to give us a green dot. We just saw the 3-hour give us a green dot on the spot, right? This is not bearish. So if the 4-hour time frame confirms our green dot here in the next few hours, we could come up, grab the liquidity. If we don't reject from this zone, we can continue our merrily way, take the high, perhaps hit 40K, perhaps hit 42K. I don't know, right? And then we have continued bearish divergences when the waves do something like this, especially if money keeps coming out. Because remember, we already have bearish divergences with the money flow on the higher term time frames, right? So we're expecting a pullback, and you better believe we are going to nail the pullback once we are gifted with the opportunity. So in my opinion, we hold on to the shorts more than we hold on to the longs right now. We are, men, we're due for a pullback, okay? We are due for one. There's a lot of liquidity here. And the thing is, guys, is if we lose this box that we came into yesterday, we're coming much, much lower, okay? This is kind of like a little rally zone, 35.5, but if we lose 35.5, man, we're coming down. In my opinion, we're coming at least, at the very least, down to 33.3333. We're coming down to 33.333 minimum, and it's gonna be quick. Okay, it's gonna be super quick. So that's a couple of things that you guys need to keep in mind, right? We can make our way down, but we're just building the narrative as we do, right? We build our narrative, and we kind of go with the flow. Before we talk about 33.333, we got to talk about 36, right? We're still super far away from it, but we got to just keep playing the range as we do. All right, let's see what you guys are saying. Kato says, can't wait for the boot camp. I'm assuming. Yeah, man, me neither, bro. I could talk about Market Cipher B. I'm not even joking, for like 10 hours. So I actually don't know how long this one's going to be. Usually my boot camps are 3 hours, but I want to set aside some time for you guys to really have one-on-one, like, not one-on-one, because there's going to be a group, but so that you guys can really ask questions, because Market Cipher is dressed nicely and it looks so nice, but it's a lot more complicated. Right, it's a lot more comprehensive than what is advertised. And once you become Neo and you broke the matrix of Market Cipher, you can see everything that's gonna happen, man, ahead of time. And that's how I give you guys these call outs, right? That's how I give you guys these call outs. So I'm very much looking forward to it. It's a lot of information. I'm gonna need halls, I'm gonna need water, but it's a good time, man. It's gonna be a good time. We're gonna have a good time. We are going to have a very good time. Okay, let me see what this guy said. So Strong Burak said, no, you're shorting until 36. Oh, from there you will go long. I mean, okay, well, I just built my complete narrative for you. So since I just built my complete narrative for you, look, I don't want to tell you that what I like. Man, I can't tell you to close your position or go in your position. Like, I don't know your risk tolerance. I don't know your situation. I don't know if you have a baby to feed or a grandmother to take care of, or, you know, whatever else. I don't know your financial situation. And at the end of the day, man, it's all a game of probabilities. Like, how much drawdown can you take? Because if you're shorting until 36, how long before your idea becomes invalidated? I would say, if you're shorting, in my opinion, your stop loss, non-negotiable, needs to go like 37.3. I don't recommend it though. Like, are you swing trading? Are you scalping? Are you 200x leverage? Are you putting in $6 million on the trade? Like, I don't know the answers to these questions. So, you know, for that, you guys just heard my narrative, right? Whatever you decide to do with that information, you guys may do as you please. We are definitely getting some resistance here. This is probably the golden pocket from our last swing high. Oh, we actually broke the golden pocket. Very interesting. Yeah, I mean, I don't know, guys. I still think that we can come higher, but right now this is actually looking very good to go higher. And the reason why is, if we took the high right now, I know we're gonna drop now. Don't say, oh, he said higher, now it's dropping. No, hear me out. If we took the high right now, right, if we all of a sudden did this, then we're gonna have bear divs with the money flow, which is not what we want to see for a sustainable move to the upside, right? So this is better that we're gonna just chill. Hopefully what happens is we just chill around here, we print a couple waves doing nothing, right? We literally just do nothing. We just range here, do nothing, and then money flow starts to rise as we start to rise. So once we're up here, money flow comes up and invalidates these bear divs. That's what we're looking for a clean, healthy move to the upside. When 69K, I have no idea. Aeropump says, buenos dias. Good morning, brother. How are you today? Guys, listen, I'm going to be back in like 5 minutes, okay? You guys know, BRB, I'm sorry. Guys, I'll be back in 5 minutes. If I have helped you make any money, ever, even $1, now's the time, please, to give me some money bags in the chat. I want to see 100 of them. If you don't mind, I'll be back in 5 minutes, and I'll be right back. Oh.
Searching for the light, been learning to fight through the darkness. I'll get this right, we were born to shine, and we still got time, it's not hopeless. Don't look now, here comes that awful feeling, my walls are caving in. Heaven help, I can see my ghost on the ceiling. Let me breathe again, 'cause I just wanna live my life. I'm never backing down, I swear I'm gonna fight the good fight. Just wanna get it right, I'm ready for it now. You know I'm gonna fight the good fight. You know I'm gonna fight the good fight. You know I'm gonna fight the good fight. Yeah, I've lost my crown, but no, I will not bow. You know I'm here right now for the long run. Yeah, you see me down, but you know I'll never drown. You know I'll get back up on it somehow. Don't look now, here comes that awful feeling. My walls are caving in. Heaven help, I can see my ghost on the ceiling. Let me breathe again, 'cause I just wanna live my life. I'm never backing down, I swear I'm gonna fight the good fight. Just wanna get it right, I'm ready for it now. You know I'm gonna fight the good fight. You know I'm gonna fight the good fight. You know I'm gonna fight the good fight. Fight the good fight. You know I'm gonna fight the good fight. You know I'm gonna fight the good fight. Fight the good fight.
All right, what am I missing? All right, BTC is taking a little bit of a dump here. That is totally okay because of what I already explained. All right, let's see if we got any money bags in the chat. Boom, we do. We got a little bit. All right, cool. Cool. You guys are quiet today. How's everybody doing? Man, Solana's crazy. We're going to look at some altcoins. Drop me some altcoins that you guys want me to take a look at. I don't want to let go. All right, let's see what BTC is going to do right now. So, I mean, there's no doubt we got the bear div. You never left. If you guys knew what I did, what I do every time I say I'll be back in 5 minutes. How's doggy going? Glenn wants me to check out MKR. All right, let's do MKR. What's up, brother? How are you, man? I'm glad that you're here. Glad to have you. Okay, what is MKR? What is MKR? I've never heard of this. Okay. Super locally. Super locally. What do we want to see for MKR right now? I actually want to see MKR take this low. Because if MKR takes this low, this is the 2-minute time frame. Like, it's super low. Okay. But if MKR takes this low and we recover it, we go bang, bang. Bang. Like that. We have bullish money flow. Bull divs on the money flow. So if MKR is going to continue higher right now locally, I actually would want to see it take the low. Not only that, but it's a liquidity grab as well. But let's look at a more higher time frame. I happen to be on the 2-minute there. Okay, MKR is giving us technically we're getting hidden bear divs right now on the 4-hour time frame. Now you guys got to understand a lot of these altcoins are going to follow Bitcoin, okay? They're going to follow Bitcoin. And so we got to keep our eye on Bitcoin, but we are getting hidden bull divs right now. Or sorry, hidden bear divs on MKR here. Right? We do have 4-hour hidden bear divs, which is not the best thing that you want to see typically. But technically, we do have a confirmed SFP, right? This low did take two levels of liquidity, right? 2 sweeps. We had this SFP and we had this SFP, and this wick took both. And we came down for the retest. So, do I think that this coin is going to keep dumping? Probably not. I would actually expect a pump more so than a dump. Doesn't mean right now. Perhaps we retrace into the golden pocket of this zone here, right? Perhaps we come down to 13.19. Before we continue to move to the other side, we do have money flow increasing on the 4. So, you know, it depends on what Bitcoin's doing, right? Bitcoin might come down and take it slow again right now. It's very possible that it does so. So, you know, it's important to monitor. How many times did we listen to this song, bro? Oh, no, we didn't. Okay. Right, let's see which order blocks we can take a look at down here. For me, I mean, this is probably in lining with the golden pocket as well, but I would look at something here. I would look to long it there. Let's make this order block. Boom. Right, let's see if we have any golden pockets there. Probably do. Bang, there's your golden pocket. There's your golden pocket number 1, and there's your golden pocket number 2. Literally that exact zone. So this whole area is confluence. If you so wanted to long it, I would say there's your long. I don't think we take this low again. I personally don't, but it really depends on BTCZ. Yo, can I lower the music? Yes. Are we better now? Are we good now? I'm sorry about that, guys. It should be good now. Should be good. All right, let's talk about Doggy real quick. So Doggy, man, it's kind of the same thing. Oh yeah, money's coming out. Doggy's gonna do okay, are we good now with the music? Or is it too loud? Okay, test. Mic check, mic check. We should be good now. Should be good now. Let me know. Let me know how we're doing now. Yeah, I lowered it like a decent amount. Solana is dumping right now. BTC is also dumping right now. Okay, cool. Music volume is something. Music can go in tad louder, but you're still clear. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, I'm gonna leave it at this. If there's any problems, you guys let me know. Okay. We'll do Sol. We'll look at Tia. Well, let's go back to Bitcoin real quick because Bitcoin seems to be making a move. Let's try to dissect what's going on right now. So we already built our long-term narrative, right? We said that we did look a little bit bearish here. Money flow is still thick. So if we come down and we take this low, it's actually bullish. If we come and we take this low like now and we take it real quick. Are we going to? I don't know. We do have vectors coming in. Let's see where our golden pocket lies here. Right, we're in our golden pocket right now, guys. If we don't hold the 786, I do think we're gonna make our way to the downside. Yeah, we'll have to see. We'll have to see right now. Let's come on the one. Let's see what the one is doing. One should have thick money flow. Yeah. So money flow on the one is coming down pretty significantly. Let's see. Let's see what we do here. Let's see if we hold it. We might not. I don't know. Actually looking like it wants to come for the low again. Let's see, man. Let's see. I'm getting ready to long it if we're presented with a long. So 1 minute money flow is thick. The waves are like pretty low here. This is a pretty aggressive sell. However, we are leaving liquidity behind. So depending on how low we go, this thing could bounce pretty significantly. We are losing the 786 right now. Let's get rid of that. We could just come down and tap this order block down here. We'll see. It's a 1 minute-er, so I don't have too much faith in it. But, I mean, we could hold this zone, right? Right now, exactly where we are, we could hold it. We'll see. This could get ugly pretty quickly as well, though, if I'm being honest with you guys. See what Bitcoin right now is coming into our order block right here. This is a valid order block. So let's see. Let's see if it breaks the order block. It's looking like it wants to take the low right now. I can't even lie. This is not what you want to see if you're going to be long. But we're going to get ready. I don't imagine that they don't come for this low. Pull you back to what you need initially. One call away. All right. He seems like he's good for you. 35.8 or bust? Maybe, man. But does he know you call me? Guys, you know what time it is? They kind of ruined our party here. Yeah, I know the routine, brother. Okay, listen, I'm gonna get to your comments. We're gonna hit this next drop together. And we're gonna get some we're gonna get some emojis in the chat. We're gonna hit the like button. And we're gonna run it. You guys know how we do right now. Y'all know how we do right now, guys.
He's the one, his love for you is true. But does he know you call me when he sleeps? But does he know the pictures that you keep? Does he know the reason that you cry? Oh, tell me, does he know where your heart lies? Where it truly
Yeah.
Does he know the reason that you cry? Oh, tell me, does he know where your
You know what's funny? You know what's funny is I was gonna ignore it this time because we're getting action, but then y'all are like, yo, y'all know the drill. Anyways, listen, let's get back to it. Look, Bitcoin right now, are we gonna take the low? I don't know. Okay, I really don't know. I honestly don't know. Look, we have the red vectors coming in strong into our order block, okay? It's a 2-minute order block. It's not that, ooh, there you go. We just lost it. We just lost it. Okay. Are we gonna SFP it? Let's see. Okay, we don't need this anymore. Goodbye, Mr. Order Block. That did absolutely nothing. Yeah, it looks like we want to come down. This SFP is gone. We don't need it anymore. Giant head and shoulders on the chart. Thank you for reminding me, man. Thank you for reminding me. Stream is quite delayed. Bro, I put on low latency. Make sure I'm live. Let's see, guys. Let's see. We can run up. Let's see what's going on. Weekend? I was about to say, I just saw, Weekend Geo, because I was playing the weekend. Yeah. I was about to say, like, yo, yeah, it is Friday volume, but it's not. It's literally a Tuesday. The problem of when you work for yourself. Yeah, I don't even know what day it is ever. Oh, man. All right, guys, we hit the SFP. We are getting bull divs on the 1. What we would want to see is a strong, aggressive move. Let's follow our 1-minute market structure right now. This is not. Market structure is not. Based on my rules, this does not count if we break it as a bullish break. Does not count. Does not count based on my rules. Does not count. So we'll see, man. Do I think this 1-minute bull div is gonna play out? I don't know, man. I don't know. God, make this speed 1.5x until you catch up. So look. On the 3 right now, doesn't mean long right now, but on the 3, right? We have increasing money flow. And technically, we got bull divs right now on the money flow, right? Technically, we have bull divs. Doesn't mean we can't come lower. Doesn't mean we can't invalidate this money flow, because we can. But right now, as of right in this very moment, we technically have bull divs with the money flow. Okay? Let's see how low we go. We could get a pretty nasty drop pretty quick. I'm not going to lie to you guys. We could come down pretty significantly here. We could. For sure. And where are we going to look to? We're going to look down to this level here. Right? 35336 is my next level that I'm looking for. So we got our alerts down here, and we could be down here pretty quick. So we'll see. All right. There you go. Bang. Wow. Look at that. Let's see if we make our way down. We're getting a little dump on. I want a little bit lower. I want to come and tap our box here. I want a little bit lower. Are we gonna come lower? Money flow is still getting thick right now, guys, so let's see. Let us see. Bitcoin is giving the flavor. All right, guys, good time to do our VIP code for the Discord. This VIP code is gonna be 6001. 6001 is going to be your VIP code. So write it down after stream when I purge you, so y'all can get my levels again. Let's see if we can come down to my zone here. I want one more drop. Let's see if we can get it. Let us see if we can get it. Bitcoin is giving the flavor. We're getting a dumper right now. Benny, I'm sorry. Why doesn't what count? I don't remember what I was talking about. Three yellow X's on market cipher B. Or market cipher A, you mean. MCA. Let's check out market cipher A. Market cipher A. I don't really use market cipher A. We got 4 actually. We got 4 here. Oh man, I hope that wasn't the low. We just got front ran. Oh, why wouldn't I count the 1 minute as bullish market structure? I have specific market structure rules, and it does not abide by my rules. I'm not gonna tell you guys the rules. If you want to know the rules, then DM me or one of my mods. In regards to my boot camp that I have, and you can take the market structure boot camp. All right, so we got a pretty significant move off of there. I do want to come a little bit lower. I don't know if we're going to, but I would like to. God, bro, every single stream, this guy's like, what was the code? What was the code? What was the code? Yeah, man, it looks like we're getting the bounce here, which is kind of unfortunate because we front ran our level a little bit. I did not take any positions there. I did not take the long, but I am still long on the doggy coin, which is nice. Don't worry, produce a vector in the minutes on the way down. Hopefully we still come down for that liquidity. Oh, we do have a massive wick here, and money flow is still thick. Let's check the 3. The 3 minute right now kind of looks bullish to me, guys. I can't lie. We got Huge divs on the money flow. Let's come to the 5. 5 also has potential for some upside, I would say. Let's check the 10. 10 is not looking as nice as the lower term time frames. For me, guys, I do think we're gonna probably come back into that range. Either that was the low and I just got front ran, or I missed the level. One of the two. Either I just got front ran or I missed the level. Or we come back down for it. I don't know. Let me see. Where did we stop? Okay, we stopped right here. Man, the thing with Bitcoin is it could be up at 37K in like 2 seconds if it wants to. Why would I do it? Yeah, man, we got front ran. It sucks. Sucks. Let's see. Did we have anything there? No. Why could we do it? Nah, man, we didn't really have anything there. So either we just got front ran or we're gonna come back down. One of the two. But I don't know. It looks bullish to me, guys. Things look bullish. They look more bullish than bearish. Are we gonna come back down for it? I don't really know. Let's see. Let us see. Why could we do it? So now, because we didn't get into it, we're going to golden pocket was there. I didn't see a golden pocket there. Wait, where did you see a golden pocket? Oh, was it from this low? Ah, okay. Yeah, actually, we did have a 786 there. Did we have this golden pocket here too? Yeah, we did. Okay. So that might have been the low, guys. We actually had a lot of support there. Many golden pockets there and a 786 there. So that might have been the low. That's my bad. I missed that level. Yeah, man, that might have been the low, guys. We could be at 37K very soon. I'm telling you that. There's a lot of liquidity above us. This is a liquidity grab. A lot of liquidity above us. So we'll see, man. We'll see what happens here. Let's follow the 1 minute market structure. The thing is in terms of market structure right now, there's no market structure valid until we break I would say this point here. So if we reclaim 36.4, then I would say, all right, we're gonna come up for the high and we start to close above that level, right? We start to close above that level. I would say that, but for now we're gonna keep it as it is. We're gonna see if we can get another divergence. I'm super down to come down one more time and come into my area. What do I have down here? Let's see. So this we don't need anymore. All right, we don't need that. We don't need this. This is the line we're looking to break. See if we break it. I do not know. We don't need this line. We can have our SFP line here. Yeah, so we are printing right now divergences on the 15. Actually, we already have like money flow divs. So I do think this is going to be a significant low. Is this going to be the exact low? I don't know. But we're getting divs, man. The divs are here. The divs are here. How low can we go, though? I don't know. But yeah, I'm not sure. But this actually does look quite bullish to me, I have to say. I gotta say, it does look bullish. For sure. Despacito. More down? Maybe. I don't know, man. It looks good. It looks like a good low to me. Maybe we come back down, maybe we don't. I do not know. Man, I wish I knew that there were golden pockets there. Oh, it's... Okay, so the 3 looks good to go up. 2 is looking good to go up. We'll watch the 1 here. Let's see what the 1 does. Sometimes they get reactions that don't last. You're absolutely right, man. But, I mean, we have the divergences. We have the divergences. So, if I wasn't on stream, I probably would have taken it. But, man, they don't lie when they say, like, it's not easy to stream and trade at the same time. All right, if 1 hour closes as a red candle, that counts as an extension, right? If it's below the 50 EMA, yeah. You can't figure out liquidity sweeps. Can I show an example of one with order blocks? Well, technically order blocks are supposed to hold, so order blocks are not really liquidity sweeps. Every time I tell you the code, you take off your earphones because you heard your mom saying something. I don't know, man. Your mom is colluding against me then. It's about to drop to 34.8. I don't think so. Like 34K? When bullish last week, you are preaching to go to 34 in bullish trend, and now bearish, you want to go to 37K. Should not go with the flow and make more money. I got stopped that so many times. Wait, should we not go with the flow and make some money? Hey, man, look. Wait, when bullish last week, you are preaching to go to 34 in bullish trend, and now bearish. Well, I mean, look. Last week, I said when we were at 37.5 that this could be a swing short. And that was $1,300 ago, right? So, I go with what I see, man. I go with what I see. And I give you guys updates in the VIP, right? So, last night, I gave you guys the long. Right? Gave you guys the long. And then 2 days ago, I gave you guys the short. So, man, I play the range. I look at the divergences and stuff. I don't give advice. You are your own person. You hit the long button. You hit the short button. So, I mean, if you got stopped out, maybe you don't know where to put your stop losses. Maybe you're over positioned. There's too many factors. But should you go with the trend? Technically, yeah. But again, like, how about all the retail that's gonna get wrecked when we make it down to 33K because they're going with the trend, right? So you realize we're in a golden pocket from the top and 48K dump 22. Yeah, I do know. We are in macro resistance for sure. We also have very large time frame order block here as well. More below. Aren't you planning that 100 to 1,000 VIP stream? It's not gonna be one session, but yeah, it's gonna be like a VIP group in the Discord. But just as fast you get in on momentum, you get out. Yeah. PIA is a monster. What is this coin? Is this the one that we checked out earlier today? Oh, dude, this looks bearish AF right now. On the one, it looks bearish AF right now. Stop hunt, retrace, continuation. Bro, you went long at 3,600. Jennifer says. Well, Jennifer, bro. Look, if you caught a wick like this and you are in some profit, I would already take profit. I don't know. Like, I don't know how you trade. Are you scalping? Are you 100x? Are you putting 10 million on it? I don't know. For me, I would have taken profit at this 1 minute order block, which tapped. And obviously, oh, Gio, you're saying that in hindsight. Okay, fine. But I would have taken... Actually, I probably would have taken profit right here. Right there, I would have had my TP1. But I'll tell you this, Jennifer. I didn't mean to say that in like so rude. I'm sorry. I'll tell you this, Jennifer. I don't know why I came out that way. I gave you guys my projections at the beginning of the stream. Right, we got liquidity up here. We got a lot of liquidity up here. So we could make our way back up. Right, we definitely could. We definitely could. Huge leverage trades all day. Maybe heading down to 33. I don't think we're going to 33 today. I definitely don't think we're going to 33 today. I definitely think we're going to 33. Just definitely not today. Definitely not today. I mean, you can't say definitely, but I think it's very unlikely. No one can time the market every time. And man, that's just what it is, Akshat. Like, you know, you build your plan, and then sometimes your plan works, sometimes it doesn't. That's why we have good risk management. That's how you guys can do it full time. Dustin, good morning, sir. How are you? How are you? All right, let's see the move, BTC. What's up, everyone in the best channel on air? Sexy Skills, shout out to you. Thank you, man. I appreciate that. I gotta figure out how to get your comments on the screen. I'm like not like a tech mogul here. I'm so new at this though. All right, let's yeah, guys, I'm not gonna lie, man. That could have been the low. That could have been the low. You know, typically what happens sometimes is we'll do something like that, and we'll either V-shape out, which if we are, I would expect to come back up and take these highs like sooner than later, right? Over the next like 10 minutes or so. Or what happens is we kind of do something like this. We go, oh, come back down. And then we either bounce from like the golden pocket, or we bounce from another SFT level, taking the low one more time. Are we going to take the low again? I do not know, man. I do not know. You're amazing, bro. Just keep kicking ass. Hey, thank you, man. I appreciate that, brother. What are my thoughts on Heiken Ashi candles? Okay. Y'all ready for my thoughts on Heiken Ashi candles? I'll give you guys my thoughts on Heiken Ashi candles. My thoughts are as follows, okay? Heiken Ashi candles, for me, are so freaking confusing. They are so confusing. Because it shows you the average, right? It shows you the average, but you do not enter on average price. You enter on exact price, right? And so, like, I just don't get it. And also, because I'm a very big user of vector candles, like, it doesn't show you what's been recovered. Like, this is just so confusing to me. I like exact price. I enter at exact price. I exit at exact price. I do not do averages. And look, to each their own, man. I'm not like here, you know, dumping on Heiken. If you guys like them, you guys like them. It can help show you a trend, right? But I just think regular candles can help show you a trend too. Like, look, that's clearly up. And if you go to Heiken, it's up. And if you go to regular, it's up. Like, it's not, you know, you don't need to be a rocket scientist to see that this is up. So for that reason, like, and because I use vectors and I follow liquidity, averages don't do anything for me. Averages do not do a lot for me. So, I mean, in my opinion, you know, I don't like them, personally. I don't like them. All right, let's see what you guys are saying. CPI came in pretty. Yes, it did. Yes, it did. Apparently. I'm not the news guy. I have no idea. Gio bringing you them golden nuggets. Make sure to give him the like he deserves. That's a great idea. Duda, aka Glenn. Guys, if you haven't already liked the stream, please make sure to hit the like. It helps with my algorithm a lot. And I bring you guys this heat every day, so I would appreciate. Gonna advertise me a bit on Twitter if that's okay. Sexy Skills, bro. That is 100% okay. And I appreciate it, man. If you guys feel like you want to share my streams and you guys are getting value from me, you guys are making some bags from me, then yeah, man, I appreciate everyone that can help grow the channel. You guys know I give everything for free. And I appreciate the support. Always have, always will. What do I think about half profit at 37 and half profit at 36.5? Well, 37 is a non-negotiable take profit. So to answer that, yes. 36.5. Yeah. Yep. I think it's not a bad idea. For sure not a bad idea. 35.2 to 35.6 SFE should be. I got a 35.1 SFP and I got a 35.5 SFP, which I kind of wish we came to, man. I wish we came to. I wish we came to. Don't use it for market structure or anything like that. Just use it for trend. Yeah, I mean, again, to each their own. I'm not a big fan of Hikins, but it is what it is. Also, this bounce was from value area high. Was it? No, I think the value area high is a little bit lower. No. Oh, wow. Okay, you're actually right. Well, yeah, because the value area high moved. It moved, right? It used to actually be down here. So that's interesting. Yeah. This is a good level of confluence. And guys, again, you're getting the divs right now, right? We are getting the divs. And specifically the money flow divs. Like, you know, again, not very hard to see. Look. Over time, money's coming into Bitcoin. Yet the price is coming down. Not only that. Excuse me. Not only that, but we had a bullish... we had a bullish news. So what happens when we have bullish news? Normally we dump it and then we pump it, right? Definitely possible to dump and then pump. 2-minute time frame is looking like the VWAP is going to curve up, which is no surprise because the money flow is up. Let's check the one, baby. I'm telling you guys, that could have been the low. That could have been the low. We'll see. The next green dot that we get below the 0, we will look to enter on. If the price is right. Geo, salute. Can I look at ETH? Salute, my brother. Yes, I will look at ETH in just a few minutes here. Oh, USDT. Okay. Okay, guys. I've been guzzling this water. So I'm going to go T some P in real life. I'm gonna go T some P. And then we'll come back and look at ETH. I'll be right back. All right, what's going on here? So let's see what our next green dot below the zero line gives us. Are you guys lagging? Why? Why? You guys are lagging? Everything looks good on my end, guys. I don't know why it's lagging. I'm sorry. Complicated. Is everybody else lagging? I don't even know how to fix it. I'll have to Google it later. I'm sorry, guys. Stream health. Stream is healthy. It says. I don't know. I don't know. I tried to make the latency like super low. Yeah, I made the latency low, so maybe that's what it is. I made it ultra low, so... Oh, you guys are good now. Okay. All right. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know, guys. I don't really know. Not lagging for you. Okay, cool. All right. 36019. Kato says. Kato. Let's take a look. Do we have anything there? 36019. You're good. Watching 1080. Next dot we enter. We're gonna look to enter. We're gonna look. We don't know. We don't know yet. Can't set it any lower. On your way to 34.7. Yeah, probably over time. I agree with that. So let's see what we got locally, okay? 5 minute, we got nothing. 3 minute, we got nothing. I mean, we're not even breaking market structure, right? We got a 2 minute order block. We got a 2 minute order block right here that we are currently rejecting off of. We'll see if we can take that. But really, market structure is not in any favor of the longs until we take this high. Right? So we got to take this high. If we take that high and then we retrace, we can look to long. We'll see. I don't even like that high, if I'm being honest. That's a 1 minute. It's only a 1 minute high. The 2 minute, the high is still up here. So we can come all the way back up to 36.7 while still remaining bearish market structure on the 2 minute. I don't know. Right? I don't know. The market structure for sure is not in our favor right now. For the longs. I mean, obviously. But I'm talking at least in terms of waiting for the market structure flip. It's not in our favor. Not in our favor right now. Let's see. Come back to the one. All right, check the 4 hour. Four hour, man. 4 hours giving us a golden nugget. Gotta say it. I'm telling you guys, this is not as bearish as people think. If you guys are thinking it's bearish, it looks pretty good to me, if I'm being honest. This looks like it could have been a serious low. All right, this could have been a serious low. Gio, do I watch cricket? I do not. I do not. I know that cricket games can go on for like 5 days. It's crazy. I'm gonna be honest, bro. I don't even know what cricket looks like. Looks like this is the time for the correction. Let's go to 34K. Listen, bro. You guys, man, I've been bearish. You know. Trail Bacon. You're the one that said, you know, when everyone was bullish, I was bearish. Right? So I agree. But we have to play the range. We have to take what market cipher gives us. So we're not going to drop the 34K right away. Right? We're not going to drop right away. It's going to take time. And until we see what we want to see, we have to just play the range, right? We have to just continue playing the range. Look, I'm short, man. I'm short from 37.5. So I'm down if it goes down. But right now, let's be objective. We have red vectors that we can recover. We got bullish money flow on the 5. Not bullish money flow, but we got bull divs with the money flow, right? 3-minute time frame, we have like pretty big bull divs. Doesn't mean we're gonna go up right now. Doesn't mean 100x long. But we just need to observe what market cipher gives us. We have a bull div with money flow. Money flow is king. So yes, 34K I believe is likely. But you can't say that we can't come up and grab this liquidity first just because we dumped a little bit. Like, we have to continue to play the range. We just got to play the range until the range fails. But I believe we go down. Yeah, for sure. For sure, man. We're so overextended. And it's going to go a lot lower than that, man. I think we're going to come back to at least 33. And I think that we could come, honestly, down to like 29, 30. I think this is going to be a great long zone. Like the flip of this wick. Like right here, I think is going to be a great long zone. Giga long too. Like we could take this long up to like 42, 47K, I think. Obviously, we're going to assess it at the time, right? But I do believe that, you know, this is a significant area to look at. But do I believe we're going to go down? Hell yeah, man. Hell yeah. Do I believe we're going to go down right this very moment? Well, market cipher B is showing us otherwise. Right? So we just continue to play the range. We short at the high of the range. We long at the low of the range. And we favor the shorts a little bit more than the longs. That's all that we can do, man. All that we can do. ETH is holding. Yeah, ETH is holding. Got you, Gio. I'm long and short right now for your insurance. Beautiful. Yeah, man. Schlong is the way, bro. If it goes up, I win. If it goes down, I win. When you can famoose the market maker, that's the best position you want to be in. And you know what? When you do that, it really helps with FOMO. Right? If you can look, okay, let's zoom out a bit. Right, this is our range. We have our range. Let's clean up these lines. Okay, let's clean up some of these lines. We don't need that. Don't need that. Don't really need that. Don't, yeah, we'll keep that. We'll keep this as well. Yeah, we'll keep these three. Okay. So look. Right, this is our range, right? This is our range. From this high to this low is our range right here. Okay? That's our range. Range. And so if you can get, is that the low? No, where's the low? This over here. Okay, so that's our range, right? Now, if you can position yourself in such a way where you are short from the high, anywhere in the highs, right? Short from the highs, and long from the lows, and you take profit, and you put your stop loss at the entry, it relieves you from FOMO. So you don't need to feel like, oh my God, like Bitcoin's moving without me, or any asset, right? You do this on all pairs. Oh my God, it's moving without me. Like, I need to long it right now. No. It removes the FOMO element. So not only, like, guys, the importance of shlong isn't just so you can make money, man. The money, guys, I say it all the time, making money is so easy. Keeping the money is what's hard. And when do you lose the money? When you FOMO. Okay? When you act like retail, that's when you lose. So you being shlong will help combat just your emotion. And when you trade emotionless in general, man, you that's when you prevail, honestly. So being shlong is more so, for me anyway, the psychological aspect of it. It's not even about making money. Obviously the money's great. You want to make money and you want to do this full time, you need to make money, obviously. But it's like, oh, well, I don't really care. Like, right now I have no pressure. I have zero pressure right now. I don't care if it goes up or it goes down. I could go to sleep. I could go on vacation for a week. I don't care. Right? So it's important to be able to identify that. And guys, until the range breaks, we got no real reason to be fully bearish right now. We're at the low of the range. You need to long the low of the range. You need to short the high of the range. And until it breaks, it breaks. I think it might break down. We might SFP the high again. I don't know. I think we're probably going to break down. I would like to come back up to 37. And then we can giga short it down. Are we going to get that? I don't know. Right? I don't know. But what I see is a lot of liquidity that we can grab if market structure decides to flip in our favor. ETH is at the VWAP. You know, I shouldn't like, it shouldn't be this way, but I don't even look at the VWAP anymore. When you 100% should be looking at the VWAP. I just, like, I don't know. You 100% should be looking into the VWAP. But yeah, guys, I mean, look. I have to say, this is looking bullish to me. This is looking bullish to me, guys. I have to be honest with you. Can't lie. It is looking bullish to me. Yeah, I mean, looking bullish, guys. Looking bullish. Just because we have the money flow divs, you know? Bro, check out the 10-minute order block inside that 30-minute that Phoenix just posted. I don't know where he posted. Let's check 10-minute. This guy up here. Let's see if there's 30 there as well. Yeah. Yeah, right here. I imagine that this is what he's referring to. I don't know. I don't have it, but is this the one you're talking about, bro? Because this would be good confluence with coming back in the range to reject the range, right? Good confluence with the value area low, but recovering this vector candle. So that's a good call. Let's set an alert there. But, I mean, we did break structure again down, and we closed candles below here. So, maybe like, this bullish sentiment is only to bring us back up to this point, and then where we can short it. We will see, man. We'll assess market structure, and we will assess, I mean, guys, yeah, like, this looks bullish, bro. I gotta say. How high? I don't know. But this does look bullish. We will assess when we get into our order block here. But I think either we reject from here for another low, or we come up and we sweep all the liquidity and we reject here, or we come back up for the high. So if you guys want levels, 36,551, 37.1, and then the high at 38.1. 36,551, 37.1, 38.1. These are the levels you need to watch out for. If you didn't long, don't know what to tell you. I didn't long. I'm already long, so I don't care. But I wanted to come a little bit lower. I kind of shot myself in the foot with this one. But that's why this one is red. Like, it's like an unsure zone. It's red, like alert, you know? Whereas the other ones are a little bit sexier with my yellow. Bum, 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 bum. I'll tell you this though, the Dogecoin long is still intact, and Dogecoin has some real potential to run up the way that Sol has been running up. Look at that liquidity, baby. Ooh, yes. We could see Dogecoin. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Guys, we have 86 people right now in the stream, but we only have 71 likes. So you guys know what I always say. Sound like a broken telephone. Either you guys don't like me and you don't like free money, or somebody like chainsawed your hands off. And if they did, I'm sorry. Like, that sucks. But I guess it's good for No Nut November. How to save a life. All right, let's talk about ETH. Ethereum. Where did I go wrong? Wait, we already know it's the second time we partied today, man. Let's get it. But I know how to save a life. My stupid ass treadmill stopped again. Yo, this thing, I'm gonna beat his ass. All right. All right. We're gonna talk about Ethereum and then we're gonna peace out. Because I got like a million things to do today. Okay. So Bitcoin, locally, in my opinion, looks bullish on MCB. Ethereum will follow Bitcoin. Now, Ethereum didn't actually sweep any liquidity. Okay, it did earlier when. Oh, I lied. What time frame am I on? Wait, did Bitcoin took its low again? Right? Yeah. Okay. So Ethereum did not do what Bitcoin did, right? Bitcoin on stream had a massive dump. Not massive, but you guys get it, right? We had our dump. We had a huge liquidity sweep. Ethereum did not do so. Would I have liked to see that? Probably. But it does show you Ethereum's strength relative to Bitcoin. Okay. Money flow on Ethereum is clearly coming up. Cannot deny it, right? On the 5. Cannot deny it. We don't have the divergences the second time around. What is big? Yeah, we definitely don't have the divergence. Excuse me, the divergence is the second time around. But because we have the divs on Bitcoin, this is good confluence for your ETH longs. And ETH seems like it wants to go higher just on the money flow alone, right? And it's already doing a pretty good job of recovering, right? Like, it didn't really dump as much, but it's already back up 1.5%. Bitcoin is up, you know, the same, about the same, but Bitcoin dumped a lot harder. I think ETH looks stronger than Bitcoin right now, which we can also see by the moves that we've been having, right? ETH is doing a good job of holding its previous range value area high. We're doing a good job of doing that. But man, like, I'm going to say what I say all the time. ETH will follow Bitcoin, right? They are directly correlated. The thicker the money flow, the more likely we are to get divergences. And we have this red vector candle at the top here. So if Bitcoin follows my plan to come up to 37.1, potentially even coming up one more time to SFP the high one last time at 38, I think Ethereum will do the same thing. And on yesterday's stream, what we were talking about, like, ETH is not that far away from taking the high, right? Like, this is ETH's high. ETH isn't that far away from it, right? It's only 4%, 5%, 4.5%. And so stream bad today, lagging awful. I'm sorry, man. I don't know why it's lagging. But when ETH is up at 2140, we need to be paying attention if Bitcoin is at its level of resistance. Now we have this level of resistance as well as up here. I still would prefer 37.1 to 37.2. But we'll see. And if ETH SFP is its high, the same time Bitcoin is at 37.1, 37.2, then that's good confluence to send it lower. Guys, I don't know why it's lagging. I tried to make the latency low this time because people were saying that the stream was delayed, and I thought that might have helped. So perhaps that's why. I apologize. I don't know how to fix it. Oh my god, my face was on the screen the whole time. I'm on Wi-Fi. Yo, listen, one of these days I'm gonna learn to get my face off the screen. I need to like move where I am on the screen because I can't. It's crazy, man. Anyways, I'm not gonna go over all that again. Use your imagination. Use your imagination. All right, guys, listen. We've been streaming for an hour and 40 minutes, and it seems like it's lagging for a lot of you. So I apologize. I'll see. I'll try to Google it and look into it for tomorrow. But for today, I think I'm gonna call it. You guys know my plans. Alert at 36. Alert at 36.5. Alert at 37.1, and alert at 38.1. Maybe a little bit lower. Alert at 38. Alert at 37. And alert at 36.5. As always, I'm going to update you guys in the VIP Discord. So make sure you join by DMing my GeoBot, a 4-digit code, which is 6001. And guys, wait for me to purge you, okay? I'll make an announcement in the Discord. You got to wait for it. If you don't wait for it, it won't work. A lot of the times you guys are like, oh, it's not working. It's not working. Give me a sec. Give me a couple minutes. Anyways, guys, that's what I'm looking at for today. You guys have my plan. I will keep you guys updated, but I think this is where we part ways for today. It is not goodbye. It is see you later. I appreciate you guys tuning in, and I'll see you on the next one. And again, guys, I'm sorry for the lag. I'll look into it. Hopefully tomorrow will be better. Okay. Yeah, that's it. See you guys. Peace.
Set my heart on fire.